Hello everybody, welcome to Data Visualization with Python Laboratory, an ability enhancement course. So in this video, we are going to see about program number 3B, that is program to find the string similarity between two given string. Let us see the syllabus and then proceed. Here is the syllabus. The question 3B says that write a Python program to find the string similarity between two given string. For example, you take here Python exercises is one string and Python exercises is one more string. Now our function should compare these two strings and it should give the similarity between them. The similarity between the two string is 1.0. Okay, like that. Here the one more example is Python exercises and here I have given Python exercise. So our program should compare these two strings and should give the similarity ratio between two strings. So let us see how to execute this. I'll open Jupyter Notebook. To perform string matching, what I'll do is I'll use a sequence matcher class which is there in the diff_lib module, diff_library module. So I'll import that from diff_lib import sequence matcher. Okay, the sequence matcher I have imported. The diff library which is used to string matching. Okay, so what I want two string. I'll use one variable called string1. I'll read string1 from the user. Enter the string1. Now I'll read one more string because I have to compare two strings, right? I'll read the second string. And what I'll do is I'll create one object of this sequence matcher. I'll create the object of this sequence matcher by passing the two strings. So that is sequence matcher, spelling should be correct, sequence matcher. Then I'll pass the variable string1 comma string2. This two variable I am passing, and one more value I'll pass called none. So that means don't ignore the special character also, you compare that as well. So none, string1 and string2, three parameter I have passed, and this sequence matcher will create the object. So that object, what I'll do is I will store it in one variable. Say any variable name you can use. I'll use a matcher. Now matcher is a object of a sequence matcher. By using that matcher, now by using that object, I will call the ratio function which is there in a sequence matcher. What I'll do is I'll just write one variable called similarity ratio. Similarity ratio is equal to the object which I have created dot, and there is a function ratio. Okay, so now this matcher dot ratio will give me the percentage of similarity between two string. So that I'll print here. Print the similarity between two strings is comma, what is the variable, where is the similarity ratio? It is in a similarity ratio variable. So I use a sequence matcher. You can use anything different, other libraries will be there, are there, you can use them as well. Now I'll run this. I'll give the input Python exercises. The second string also I'll give the same thing, Python exercises. Now see the similarity ratio between string is 1.0, means both the strings are same. Now one more time I'll run. I'll give Python exercises, then I'll give Python exercise. Okay. Now I have missed the S here. Now you can see the similarity ratio is 0.96. Done. So this is the program, very simple program. Let's practice this. Thank you so much.